Hi everyone, so today's video is completely about Masterbooks science. And as you know, my children are on the younger side, so well, my 8-year-old not so much, but they still fit into her learning. So I just want to show you the inside of it and how it looks like. Now, what you need to know about Masterbooks is this right away. Okay, it is Christian. So please, if you are not Christian, this is not for you, so you can skip this right here. Therefore, this book right here is Life for Beginners, and he talks about plants, the human body, and the animals. Therefore, it has really nice things here that the kids can learn. For example, something we really look into was this one. The roots and stems. Now you don't see nothing written on it because this book was mostly copied. I am thinking either I'm gonna give it away or I'm gonna sell it. Not sure what I'm gonna end up doing, but as you can see, this is a very beautiful book. It talks about the stems, the structure. Leaves have veins. This is another thing we enjoy very much. And what I like about it is that they do different things every time. Like this lesson is very short, and you could do it all at once, or you could do depending on how long, and you could divide it, you know, in 1 or 2 days. Talks about pollination. Right now we're in the human body. This right here, my kids really enjoy. They got to make their own fingerprinting. I will talk more about that. And we're right here right now talking about the nervous system. Really full concepts for the kids and that they really enjoy. And yeah, let me show you the animals part. And I'll show you a lesson. So right now that we are doing the body for us, and one of the things that, for example, here they had a different activity, and one of the activities was that they were talking about how important exercise is for your body, and then we needed to do exercise together. So my kids really enjoy this part right here. They really loved it very much. Now they did the muscles, and we talk about Bible Man, so they like that very much also. Over here on this part talks about skeletons and bones, and then they got to make their own. Look at their own skeleton. Sorry, sometimes Spanish and English just gets mixed up. Okay, so this is the book. Now, if you guys would like to see other books, let me know. I am able to do more reviews, and this is such a great book that everybody will love. If you're a Christian, of course, but it's not so big as religious, so it's a great book. Thank you. Bye-bye.